Welcome back to my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the latest discount deals coupon that will help you to save money. Check out my YouTube video description first link. You will see the special shop now button. Click on it. It will take you to the official website and the latest discount they will give you. 10% off, 5% off, even updated promotion you will get. You can see right now save 15% discount. You can see which will help you to save money in every single plan. So enjoy the 15% off. Monthly updated promotion deals will be added on here. The best part is if you check the second discount link, thousands of new coupon code is waiting for you. Search here with any website name. Enjoy the coupon code that will help you to save money. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button. See you again into the next video.